Man, we've been so busy around here. We got so much stuff going on. I've been missing comments. I've been missing watching my videos. I think I'm finally almost caught up. I probably got another 2 weeks to go before I get caught up because people keep putting videos on and I have to watch them. And it takes a lot of time. It's time consuming. Anyhow, I've had Facebook problems lately. I started a Facebook group back, I think it was probably in February or March. I started a Facebook group called Cocktails and Cuisine. Well, somehow I lost my administration status, so I'm not an administrator anymore. I don't know what happened, but this other guy that I don't even know is an administrator. And I've been trying to work with Facebook getting this stuff done, and I go on and there's no place that says how to get your status back. I've called Facebook, they don't even answer the phone. I call the business one says, I'm sorry, I can't help you. So I've written 4 letters to Facebook since November. 4 letters, and I haven't gotten not one reply. The next one I'm going to send UPS. People are putting stupid garbage on there. They're putting advertisements on there, and it's supposed to be only for cooking and making cocktails. I don't know what the problem was with Facebook. If anybody out there knows anything that could help me, please put it in the comments below. Okay? And because I have friends in Florida where they make fabulous key lime pie in Florida, I'm going to make a key lime pie martini today. So what do you think of that? Key lime pie martini.
Sounds good.
I'm very interested in trying that puppy out.
Does it have a crust?
No, no crust.
Oh, okay.
You can throw a graham cracker in there if you want.
Oh, all right.
Okay?
Thank you.
Anyhow, my shout outs today to my buddy Matt out there at the Whiskey Nerd. Matt, you really know your whiskey, dude. I just have to say that to you. And James at the Five Shack. James, yeah. James, yeah. James, you're so funny. I like you, guy. And Adventures with M&M with Mark and Michelle. It's Adventures with M&M. Now, I put everything down in the video. Just watch it. Write this stuff down. And you know what to do? Subscribe to these people and watch their videos. They're pretty good people. And I made an error before on Patty Joe Cooking and Man Kitchen Recipes with Kevin. Patrick, you made the spaghetti pie. And Kevin, he made the spaghetti tacos. I just make spaghetti. I don't know anything about that. I just eat spaghetti. I love spaghetti. I like ravioli. I like lasagna. I like rigatoni. I like all that stuff. I like rigatoni because that Tony, right? You got that? So here we go. I'm going to make my fabulous Key Lime Pie Martini. Coming right up. First of all, I got this pre-measured. It's half an ounce of lime juice with 1/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Half an ounce of vanilla vodka. 1/2 ounce of vanilla vodka. So it's went over a little, as usually does, because I overpour sometimes.
All the time.
Yeah, sometimes.
All the time.
Well, all the time. Half an ounce of regular vodka. Oh, that went over a little bit also. 1 ounce of sweet and sour mix. Gotta do some cutting up on this thing. 1 ounce of sweet and sour mix. Half an ounce of triple sec or Cointreau, which I always use Cointreau because I like Cointreau better. Cointreau is the way to go. And I also got 1 ounce, I'm going to measure, 1 ounce of pineapple juice.
Ounce.
And a half an ounce of half and half.
You did that already.
You know what?
Yeah.
Karen wants more vodka.
Yes, I do.
I put in a little bit more vodka. Karen always gets her way, by the way.
Oh, yeah, right.
She does. She always gets her way. Ooh, baby, this is looking so good. It's looking wonderful.
Even looks a little green.
Yeah, key lime pie. Key lime pie. Put a little whipped cream on the top.
Oh, dear. Whoa.
I like whipped cream. Whoa, the cherry went. I missed the cherry. Oh, I missed the cherry. I missed it. The cherry went right down the bottom. It's supposed to go on the top. Well, anyhow, it calls for the cherry on the top.
Here. I didn't have it. Put it. Place it. Don't drop it.
I got my garnish. I got my cherry that's sinking. The cherry's sinking. I got the lime. I got everything. Here we go. Test this puppy out. You know what? Tastes just like a key lime pie.
Oh, good.
This one's going to be fun to edit. I'm going to have so much fun editing this one. Anyhow, I'm starting to catch up. Should be caught up in another few weeks if stuff goes well. I want you all to remember, get a vaccine, wear a mask, say hello to your mama. Cocktail Tony, over and out.